Hi everyone, my name is Zyen and I'm a physics teacher by day and dance teacher by night. In this Introduction to Latin series, we will be looking at a simple and brief introduction to 6 different styles of Latin dances. I'm a Latin solo dance teacher where we learn Latin dancing without a partner, and I always say how we learn the different styles of dancing in my classes. So some people have asked me, what are these different styles and how do we tell one from another? What is so unique or special and distinguishing about each Latin style? So I thought I would come up with this series so at least, if you're interested to know, at least now you would know the difference. So that if you are interested to learn Latin, you can either choose to learn all or you can just focus on only one style and make that your specialty. So in this series, we will be covering 6 different styles of Latin dancing, which are the cha-cha, the rumba, the samba, the jive, salsa, and bachata. We will be learning about what makes each Latin style so special. We'll also go through a few different song examples of those dances, and you will also be learning a basic step that you can dance to any song within that Latin style. Now, in order to avoid the copyright infringement on YouTube, I am not able to include a lot of popular songs in these videos as examples. So I have included songs that do not have the copyright infringement or are copyright free. So if you'd like to know whether your favorite song has any of these Latin American rhythms or is probably a different rhythm altogether, feel free to drop the name of the song in the comments below and I'll be happy to let you know whether it is a Latin American rhythm or a different rhythm altogether. Now my specialty is Latin solo, where we will learn to dance Latin without a partner. Now most people who love Latin dancing are usually the ladies, but we find that there's always too many ladies but not enough gentlemen who want to dance. And that's how Latin solo came about. It is an opportunity that allows ladies to be able to do Latin dancing without needing a partner. So because of that, my classes are designed for the ladies and the movements that we do are based on the lady steps of the Latin partner work. So this means that you can actually use these solo steps when you dance with a partner. The only difference is that, of course, a lot of the hand work will be different because when you're dancing with a partner, you're actually holding your partner's hands. But when you're a solo dancer, you have no one to hold. So we have more freedom of expression in terms of how we want to use our hands and our bodies during the dance. But if you want to take these solo steps and dance with a partner, you can actually do so. It's just a matter of learning to follow your partner and adjusting your hand work so that it matches your partner when you're dancing together. If you have learned partner dancing before, you will find that it is quite easy to learn Latin solo, just that you probably have to make a lot of adjustments in terms of how you place the body and how to move because you don't have your partner leading or supporting you. Now, if you're not a lady but you want to learn our steps, you are also free to do so. Just take note that these are lady steps. If there are enough people who request, I'll be happy to open a men's version of the Latin solo. So in the next 6 videos, we will be learning some basic steps, but these will all be based on the lady steps for the Latin solo classes. Now, if you have Latin dance shoes, do wear them, but make sure that they're Latin dance heels. Don't wear normal high heels for dancing. This is because normal high heels don't quite have the same construction that's able to support your feet. So which means that there's a higher chance of you possibly falling down and twisting or spraining your ankle. Or even worse, possibly injuring other parts of your body when you fall. So don't wear normal high heel shoes. So you can wear other kinds of dance shoes. For example, you can wear ballet slippers, line dance sneakers. You can wear the other kinds of dance shoes that give you the support. But don't wear normal high heels. You can wear Latin dance high heels, but not normal high heel shoes. If you do not have any dance shoes, it's fine. You can learn these steps with bare feet first, and once you know that you would like to learn more about Latin dancing, then you can get your own pair of Latin dance shoes. To find out more about Latin dance shoes, do check out my video which I explain a little bit more about Latin dance high heels. Right, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click like and hit subscribe so that you can get notification on when the next video will be out. Thank you and happy dancing!